Because hello guys, we are in Jollibee today. That's why I don't mind the quiz. Don't mind that. We are in Jollibee.
Asan yung ano? Kanina ni ate?
Philippines Jollibee. This video is just 10 minutes long. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! This is the entire lease. This is the entire paycheck.
Dito ka sumapit sa gilid eh.
Is it upside down? Mine. 200 pesos. It's 200 pesos, guys. I'm just sponsored by Maya. Maya means payment. Maya in Tagalog means payment, at least because it was 200 pesos. I'm giving you one. Wait, that we are at cook because I spent my entire wallet on just some chicken and fries with some things. And this is my mom. Say hi.
Hi.
She has an unexpected sickness, a sneeze and a cough. She go to the doctor because we live in Malabon. The doctor don't have a single thing. He's like, that's why this. Who got this?
Ano yun? Hotdog yan kayo hotdog?
Someone bought some this. What the hell?
Ah.
Hot, hot. Fuck. Baby. Hey, stop, Dad! Got gravy. What's this?
Mainit?
Ha?
Ulitin mo yung video mo, mainit.
Ano?